Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to power off iPhone 16 Plus. To power off iPhone 16 Plus, you can either press and hold on two buttons at once, the first one being the side button on the right side, and the second one is gonna be one of the volume buttons. You can press and hold on them, then slide this slider to power off. You can also swipe from the right top part of your screen and click on this icon here. Press and hold on it and it's gonna do the same. So when this menu shows up, just slide to the right and wait a moment and the iPhone now is turned off. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.